morning junior school students, teachers, parents and carers. Welcome to our junior school virtual assembly. I would like to respectfully acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which this event is taking place. I pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging. Please stand silently for our national anthem.
Australians, oh let us rejoice, for we are young and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair. Beneath the radiant Southern Cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this commonwealth of ours renowned of all the lands. For those who've come across the seas, we've boundless plains to share. With courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Please repeat our college values after me. We show diligence, we show integrity, we show courage, and we show empathy. Please repeat our college rules after me. We are respectful, we are responsible, and we are safe. Please be seated. I would like to invite Mrs. McCann to share our student recognition and reading certificates. Certificates will be given to your teachers to present to you.
It gives me great pleasure to announce Week 3 Students of the Week. From Prep, Patrick for always using beautiful manners and putting others first. Ethan for always being engaged during reading groups and using his Lips the Fish reading strategy. From Year 1, Michaela for consistently being organised and actively participating in her learning. To Cohen for consistently having a go at learning tasks and participating in class discussions. For Kenshin for persevering with daily writing to improve sentence construction. For Bianca, getting along and being a kind and caring friend. From Year 2, Thomas for creating an excellent visualising picture during reading. To Lewis for using great noun groups in your writing. For Kieran, continuing to improve your descriptive writing. For Emerson, showing accuracy and fluency with her handwriting. Will, active participation in reading groups. From Year 3, Henry, for working hard with persistence to complete all classwork. Cheyenne for always giving 100% of herself to her school tasks. Destiny, working hard and staying focused on the task at hand. Jacob, working hard and not distracting others. From Year 5, Imogen, for working spectacularly hard in maths during timed lessons. Peyton, for working extremely diligently in maths during timed lessons. To Hunter, for his positive contributions during class time. For Ashlyn, for consistently demonstrating exemplary behaviour. Charlie, for integrating so easily into a new classroom and applying herself so readily to all academic tasks. For Heidi, a clear improvement in application and work ethic, particularly within mathematics, resulting in improved results. Congratulations to each of those students. Congratulations to all of our students who've been reading at home every night. This week, these students have reached 100 nights of home reading. From Year 1, Isharot. From Year 2, Ivy, Jiho and Jay. From Year 4, Patrick. And from Year 5, Samantha, Isabella, Anya and Charlie. Congratulations to each of those students.
Our earnings for week 3 have been counted. This week's totals are Rafter on 194, Bradman on 224, and O'Neill on 238. Congratulations, O'Neill. You have earned the most points for your house this week.
I would like to invite our junior sports captains to draw our Ernie winners for this week. Winners will each receive a voucher for the Talk Shop.
This week the total is 238 Ernies and the winner is Riley from Miss Cracker class.
Hi, my name is Jack and this is Talisa, and the total for the Bradman Ernies this week is 224, and now we're going to be drawing the Ernie for the Ernie box. Ocean. This week Rafter managed 194 Ernies. And this week's winner is Merrick from 2C.
Thank you for viewing our Junior School Virtual Assembly. Have a wonderful day and a safe weekend.